If you are looking for a powerful tool to organize your thoughts, take better notes, and build a second brain, then you have probably heard about Heptabase. In this quick review, I'll break down what it is, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth your time in 2026. What is Heptabase? Heptabase is a visual note-taking and knowledge management tool designed for deep thinking. Instead of just storing notes like traditional apps, it lets you organize ideas visually using whiteboards, cards, and connections between concepts. Think of it like combining Notion with a mind map, but focused more on learning and understanding rather than project management. Key features. The main features include visual whiteboards, drag and connect notes to build structured knowledge maps, card based notes, break information into small connected pieces, PDF highlighting, you can highlight and turn parts of PDFs into notes, bidirectional linking, connect ideas across different topics easily, focused learning workflow, great for research, studying, or complex thinking. Who it's for? Heptabase is not for everyone. It works best for students doing heavy research or studying complex subjects, writers and content creators organizing ideas, founders and thinkers managing complex projects, anyone who likes visual learning instead of linear notes. If you just want simple note taking, this might feel like overkill. Pros and cons. Pros: very powerful for visual thinking, helps connect ideas clearly, great for deep work and research. Cons: has a learning curve, not ideal for quick, simple notes. Paid tool, no full free version for long term use. Pricing and verdict. Heptabase is a paid tool, and while it's not cheap, it offers serious value if you use it properly. But if you do not actually need visual thinking or deep knowledge structuring, simpler tools like Notion or Obsidian might be enough. Conclusion. So is Heptabase worth it? Yes, if you are a heavy thinker, researcher, or creator who needs to connect ideas visually, but if you just want basic notes, it might be more than you need. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe for more simple, honest software breakdowns. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.